Hi guys, so another package arrived today, and this time it's not a gunpla. It's for our Kyosho HOR project. So this is the inner tubing for the front forks, and after this we only have a few items left, parts left. I think the chain, and then the cowls or the fairings. I think that's about it. I have to double check though, but let's go ahead and unbox this again. Package from our friend in Japan. And there we have it, guys. Kyosho GP104 inner tube set for our hang-on razor HOR version. Feeling very excited. We're getting close to having all the parts. Once we do, we'll start building. Alright, thank you for tuning in, guys. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I have RC contents, and now just recently gunpla contents. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, guys. Alright.